years, we have over a decade providing catering services for the TV and film production companies. Our capacity is very well known. We have from large crew, we know the long locations, we know the remote locations, long hours, dietary restrictions, even we have a food shredder that we can come up and do something live for you. It's about connection. Every time we're going to do a production, we have to connect with the production manager, directors, even with assistant production. It's about the same team that's actually working for one project and make it a great project for everybody to enjoy.